Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In this video I share with you how to make a very simple and delicious boneless chicken stew, and I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. Please remember to subscribe, like and share if you enjoy this recipe. So without wasting much time, let's get started. In a saucepan, add your preferred oil. I'm using vegetable oil for this recipe. To it, add your boneless chicken breast fillet. I have marinated it with ginger, garlic, onion, and garlic powder and a pinch of salt. Stir fry on a medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's well done. And at this point it's well done, I'll now transfer it onto a plate and continue with the process. Next, in the same oil, add your blended ginger, garlic, and onion paste. Also add a tablespoon of tomato paste and continue to saute for about 5 to 10 minutes. At this point, add crushed tomatoes, give it a stir, and add a tablespoon of chili powder and a tablespoon of paprika powder. Stir and allow it to simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes. Next, add a tablespoon of seasoning powder and a pinch of salt. Give it a stir and add your chicken breast fillets. Next, allow it to simmer on a low heat for another 5 minutes. And at this point, our boneless chicken breast fillet stew is all done. I'm going to be adding some chopped onions and some scallions for crunchiness, which is optional but adds a very nice flavor to the stew. You can have this delicious stew with some rice, plantain, yam, and a whole lot. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. If you have watched until this point, thank you so much. And please remember to subscribe, like and share. This simple stew is full of flavor and it's also delicious. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.